How to play Poker VR Oculus Quest 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to download, set up, and start playing Poker VR on your Oculus Quest 2. Whether you're new to poker or just curious about virtual reality, I'll guide you step by step in a simple and practical way. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing Poker VR. First, turn on your Oculus Quest 2 and put on the headset. Press the Oculus button on the right controller to open the Universal menu. Open the MetaQuest store and search for Poker VR. Click on the game and hit install. The download is free and it only takes a couple of minutes. Step 2. Setting up the game. Once installed, launch the game. You can log in using your Meta account or just play as a guest. Then, customize your avatar if you want. It's optional. If it's your first time, I recommend completing the quick tutorial inside the game. Step 3. Join a table. After setup, you'll be placed in a virtual casino. From there, choose a table based on how many chips you want to play with. Most tables use no limit Texas Hold'em, the classic poker format. Just sit at the table and you're ready to play with people from around the world. Step 4. Playing the game. Use your controllers to interact. Look at your cards by lifting your hand. Point and tap to bet, call, or fold. You can also talk to other players, use the built-in voice chat. Be respectful, have fun, and don't forget, it's just a game. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Poker VR on your Oculus Quest 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.